Hello and welcome to the BuyYourCommand.net Cylon Builder Forum. Today I'm working on, happens to be one half of a helmet, and I'm sorry that the camera doesn't show the detail of what I'm working on, which is taking out minor scratches and defects in the formed plastic piece. Now, what I've done with the magnifying glass is looked at the helmet and inspected it. And with the black marker pen, I've gone through and highlighted the areas that need attention. And now, since these are marked, what I will do is I'll start with some 300 grit paper, which this is, it's not true paper, but it's a sheet of 300 grit sanding material. Just work on it. Work on taking this black spot down. Got two of them here I'm working on. Here's a little water. Okay, for the most part I've taken those two black marks down. Now I've stepped up to 400 grit. There's a little bit of a buff there. Now 500. Now I'm going to reach over here to the 600. Now over to 800. And now I'm going to finish it off with 1000 grit. Now that took only about a minute and a half. Well, you can't see via the camera the detail, but this is very soft and smooth. So what I need to do is go around through each of the pieces and sand them all down, and then when I'm done I'll go back underneath magnifying glass again and see it. And the reason I'm getting this fine minor detail is this will give it a higher luster rating on the reflection of the chrome. The more detail you give to your sanding, the higher the reflection, the luster rate, and the more of a true mirror finish that you'll have. So hopefully this helps, and enjoyed giving you the demonstration.